Hello, today we are going to show you how to level the bed on an Ender V2 Pro V2. So first thing you're going to want to do is preheat your bed and your nozzle so that way we can clean the nozzle and the bed's thermal expansion for when the bed heats up. So here we're going to go to ready. Take a second while the machine centers itself, zeros. All right, now we're gonna go to manual. Nozzle temperature, 190. Bed temperature, 60. Good. I'm gonna go to axis move, and we're gonna up the Z, so that way we can reach under the nozzle. All right, I use a little bit of alcohol when I wipe it. It's not really necessary though. Good. Now, we're going to level the bed. The Ender 3 Pro V2 comes with a self-leveling feature where it maps the grid out. I will show you that, but first we're going to go into manual leveling because I believe you get a little bit better accuracy in print from it. So, now, on your control pad, go over to settings, and then leveling. It's going to center again. All right, now when it finishes, what you're going to do is you're going to go over here to auxiliary level. And as you can see, there's 5 points. That will move the machine to corners of each part of your working plate. From there, you will adjust these knobs that are in each corner. So, let's get started. What you're going to do is you're going to take a small piece of paper and you're going to go to each position underneath the nozzle and you're going to adjust your knob so you get just the littlest bit of resistance. I previously leveled this, so we probably won't have to adjust them too much. But make sure you go over each point 2 or 3 times, because when you adjust the other ones, it can make a difference on the slope. Alright, very good. From there, we'll go back, and you'll go into your leveling again. And that's to center and re-zero each time, so give it a second. Alright, well, still going. Alright, and now from there, you just simply hit start. And now what it's going to do is it's going to use its self-leveling feature and it's going to build a grid. That grid that it builds, you need to put a code into your slicer. I use Cura, and so you put a code into your slicer so that way it'll actually use this grid. I'll show you how to do that in another video. and that is bed leveling on the Ender 3 Pro V2.